Just in, direct off the last owner. What a beautiful car this is. Very, very rare. Not many of these about, especially in this condition and such low mileage. So here we have a Skoda Yeti. It's the outdoor SEL TSI automatic, finished in candy white, registered in March 2017 on a 17 plate, just 2 owner car, full service history. It's got the rough road package on it, which was an option on the vehicle. It is fabulous. 6-speed automatic, 1.2 petrol, 110 brake horsepower. Very, very popular, these Yetis. Great size boot on it, lovely and clean, not been abused in any way. All the loading area, as you can see, totally unmarked, no damage there at all. Beautifully kept inside. You've got the folding and removable rear seats. Little hooks there to just put your shopping on to stop it being thrown all over the place. The last owner also bought a complete spare wheel with it as well, at the cost of about £300. As you can see, not being used, brand new. The bodywork is absolutely beautiful all the way around. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs anywhere, no little dings. All the alloy wheels are in fabulous condition. Again, no damage to those. Again, the front wheel. And we've just fitted 2 brand new Goodyear tyres. So it's got matching Goodyear tyres all the way around. Close up at the front end, as you can see, no major damage, no stone chips anywhere as such to speak about. 2017 car. We do the close-up videos to show you nothing is left to chance. Full transparency, nothing to be hidden from you. It's like you walking around the car with me at the moment. Beautiful on the bodywork, as I mentioned. It's got the black roof rails, rear privacy glass. Again, just to show you the other wheel there as well. Nothing on those to report. Full black leather upholstery in great condition. A non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. As I mentioned, these do fold down or removable if you wish to have that extra space. Take the seats out to carry anything bigger. And just look at that leg room there. Great leg room, easy to get in and out of, being slightly off the ground. Great driving position. Again, the driver's door trim, electric windows, electric mirrors. Driver's seat, as you can see, great condition. No wear or tears or burns or anything on there. Plenty of headroom as well. All the dash trim, everything all in great condition. And then just look at the mileage. 13,302. That's what it's done. 13,302. That's what it's done. 2017 car. Amazingly low mileage. Additional storage just up there on the dashboard. DAB radio. Media input, aux input, Bluetooth phone connection. Nice clear screen. Just scroll through and get your car set up exactly how you'd like it set up. dual zone climate control, heated front seats, AUX media input, and of course the DSG 6-speed automatic gearbox. Rear parking sensors with visual display. Centre armrest, good bit of storage there as well. Leather multifunction steering wheel, you've got cruise control as well. Volume, change the stations. Bluetooth phone, onboard computer. All nice and easy from your fingertips. So there you have it, incredibly low mileage Skoda Yeti Outdoor TSI SEL automatic with just 13,000 miles. Full service history, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange, great finance orders available direct from ourselves. Use our finance calculator on our website to work out your finance details with low deposit, low monthly payments. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. So if 2 o'clock in the morning you fancy it and want to make sure that nobody else beats you to it, simply click and reserve and come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. And if the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit 100% and no questions asked. And many customers reserve the cars all hours of the morning. If you want it, you know what to do, just reserve it online. We can arrange home delivery, ask about further details. Many customers buy the cars with the comfort of your armchair and have it delivered to their doorstep. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Phone number is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.